Have an idea? Fantastic. Need help bringing it to life? Whether you're an architect aiming to bring your vision to life or a property developer who urgently needs to source products and are looking for a solution, experience a one-stop solution that meets all your needs. Arcedior is your trusted partner in transforming spaces with over 15 years of experience, 1,100 projects completed globally, 80,000 global products showcased, and a network of 2,000 global brands offering unmatched services across the hospitality, real estate, corporate, education, and healthcare sectors. With expertise in interior products and global sourcing, imagine a world where every detail of your dream, from grand architectural plans to decor elements, finds its perfect match. We turn your vision into reality with our procurement solution and contract manufacturing solution. Our expert team streamlines the procurement process, securing the best deals without compromising quality and ensuring comprehensive after-sales support. No matter your requirements, we'll find the best solutions through our thorough approach. Procurement. It starts with requirement gathering, where we share and refine your vision. Then in procurement ideation, we brainstorm creative strategies before selecting the best ideas. We source and verify the finest materials and services, ensuring excellence. In material selection, we focus on quality and aesthetics. This leads to creation of precise shop drawings, the blueprints guiding the project. Arcedior's contract furniture manufacturing sets the stage. For bespoke excellence, each piece is crafted with precision, seamlessly blending form and function. Our project managers ensure everything runs on time, with rigorous quality checks and seamless logistics management, bringing all materials together. The delivery marks a milestone, with expert site coordination and skilled installation bringing your vision to life. Welcome to the Arcedior 360-degree engagement model, a collaborative ecosystem uniting craftsmen, architects, vendors, and manufacturers. More than a framework, it's where creativity meets functionality, connecting visionaries worldwide. At the heart of this community is Arcedior.com, a global sourcing platform where procurement solutions become opportunities for creation. With our e-commerce platform, shop.arcedior.com, we make decor accessible from the comfort of your home. We transform floors into canvases of design with Savvy Decor, our in-house carpets and rugs manufacturing. As a cornerstone of our ecosystem, ViomLifestyles.com fuels dreams and embodies the Make in India vision. Our extensive range includes building materials, furniture, lighting, decorative items, and more. At Arcedior, we don't just source products, we create lasting relationships and deliver excellence in every project. Join us in turning your vision into reality.